All right, guys, I woke up like 40 minutes ago, right? So I forgot that I have classes starting next week and I have to get something from the bookstore real quick. So we're gonna head down there real quick. It shouldn't take too long. And then tonight is going to be a full out leg workout. I haven't worked my legs out in about 5 weeks. So I'm gonna be starting from the bottom and working myself to the top again. I'm also dropping about 15 to 20 pounds, so I'm going to be losing a little bit of strength, but I'm going to try to maintain as much of it as possible. So yeah, we're going to see what happens. I'm excited for tonight, and I will see you guys when I get to the school. I don't know if you guys could tell that I was freaking out for a second, but I hit a bird, and the guy behind me, or I know I hit the bird because I saw a bird just sitting in the road, but I thought it was gonna go like in between my tires, you know? I was completely wrong. I mean, it might have tried to fly at the last second, and then the front of my car just kind of killed it. But I know I hit it because behind me I saw a bunch of feathers fly up and get in this guy's car's like windshield, and the guy had to like swerve out of the way to not hit so much of it. I wasn't expecting to kill anything on my way to get my textbooks and stuff. That was a surprise, but I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got the online little code thing for my Texas government class. The thing was like 90 bucks, which is, it's dumb, dude. College is expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna head home. I'm probably going to like relax for a second right before I go work out. I'm gonna go eat. All right, so HelloFresh is a great company to get your food from. This is not sponsored by them, by the way, but we usually get our food from them. It's like an easy, healthy meal prep. I don't even know if I'm in frame. Am I in frame? Yeah, I think I'm in frame. Okay, so yeah, this food's awesome. Some new stuff came in. Probably gonna cook some of that tonight. I think we actually have some in the refrigerator already that I'm gonna have to cook. Alright guys, it is 6:33 in the afternoon. I'm making dinner right now because I'm gonna go lift at 8 o'clock, and my time eating period for like when I eat throughout the day, it stops at 9. So I'll be at the gym until 10 o'clock maybe. So I won't be able to eat whenever I get back. So I'm gonna eat real quick, make some chicken, quinoa and brown rice with maybe a little bit of bratwurst and some vegetables. I'm gonna take some coffee, and I'm going to head to the gym. Alright, so I know I said I wasn't going to be taking pre-workout and I was going to be taking coffee, but I have a reason for why I'm not doing coffee and I'm doing pre-workout. Whenever I drink coffee, it does work, but I'm always much more thirsty because it dehydrates me as I'm working out, especially with legs. I'm constantly going to be sweating, so I sweat a lot. So I'm going to be taking my pre-workout with 5 grams of creatine. I know it's not coffee. And I don't know why I got ready so early. It's 7:10 and I'm picking up Christian at 7:50. So I'm goofing a lot. So I'm probably just gonna take this as early as possible, which is probably gonna be like right now. And then I'll probably clean up around the kitchen a little bit, and then we will be on the way for a leg workout. closer. Have you seen the sun?
No.
We'll go see it real quick. It's so cool.
Who are you meeting?
Huh?
Who are you meeting?
Alize. She has...
It took me a second to realize who that was, and I realized, yeah, I know who that is.
Yeah, no, she took Texas government and intro to philosophy over the summer, so she bought used books from her friends, and now she's letting me buy the used books from her. So I'm only spending like 45 instead of like 200. That's awesome.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again. again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Parents ever tell you that it was like illegal to have the lights on in the car?
Is it illegal?
I don't think so,
I don't think it's illegal.
but I've heard about it.
I know it's illegal to drive with your headlights off, which I've done before. I didn't notice my headlights were off until I was like already about to. I was actually over the bridge, and I was like, "Oh shit, dude!"
I was down Hampton, and I was just driving. All of a sudden, I see a car like flash its brights at me, and I'm like, "What?" And I was like, "Oh shit!"
Yeah, no, dude, I had no idea. I was literally driving down this road with no headlights, and it was like this, but I just couldn't tell because there's so many cars around me. And oh shit, I'm not even in the right lane. But whenever I found out, I had to pull over, and I was like, "How do I turn on my lights, dude?" Because I didn't know how to turn on my lights. But I eventually figured it out. I don't know how I didn't know, dude. I was in a brain fart or something. I was freaking out. I was like, "Dude, I'm gonna have to drive home with no headlights. I'm gonna get pulled over, or somebody's gonna hit me." But no. Luckily, this is a white car. It's not a black car. Otherwise, I'd be even more screwed.
Yeah.